Alright, I think I need to show you young'uns something. I want to show you what our phones were like when I was a kid. Yeah. And if you know how to work one of them things, I do. See, you pick up the receiver. This one still has a dial tone. And you push number right there, and you wait for him to answer. That's how you use that. What do you think of them apples, huh? That's tough, waking up to stuff like this. But I'll endure it just for you people, man. That's how dedicated I am to my YouTube audience. Sitting at the dock of the bay. Look at this thing. Aw, I hope he's not really hurt. Nope. Just fucking with you. Now the tide, she's headed out by the looks of it. And that'd be one hell of an undertow. Check out how old this sign is. This is Winter Harbor. This is the ocean. The peeling ocean. Anyways, everybody get your map books out. It's very important. Port Hardy is a jump off point. That's where the highway ends and the adventure begins, they claim. I will be headed towards Holberg, which you have to do in order to get to Winter Harbor. But that entire area here, somewhere in this area, is where I'm going to be hanging out for 14 days anyways. See what happens after that. And I don't know if you can see it from here, but that one there, the yellow one, that's an old girl. Cole Harbor Airport. Check out the old float planes. So I walk up to the Titanic. I think, this is a neat little flat deck boat, right? You got it backwards. The water's inside the boat. Oh, wait a minute. No, Titanic's got lots of water in it. Alright, well, I don't know if you would consider finding a place and setting up camp as day 1 of 14, but why not? You can always add more days to it. So, yeah. That way to Port Hardy, right? And that way back there. See where that logging truck is? Yeah. That's the direction to go to Winter Harbor and Holberg and area. So that's where I'm headed. And from here on in, I'm on my own. This will be day 1 of my 14-day isolation. Chances are I'm going to like it so much I'm going to stretch it another 14 days. Anyway, enough of the bullshit chatting. Let's go for a drive. beautiful little lake. Oh, it's just, you know, once I get up into this territory, man, look at all the junk on my dash. Holy Christ, I got sunglasses, compass, earbuds, my toque, monsoon, my little hula girl. Further on over is that little pouch is holding the fisheye lens and another telescopic or something lens. Holy shit, what a nice little spot. Oh man, too wet. I'd get stuck in that for sure, but oh, it's beautiful. Ah, it's still here. I remember way back in 1982, I think it was. Yeah, it was 1982. And my sister and I decided to come up to Winter Harbor, see her boyfriend. And as we were coming up, there was this great big huge log with a car under it. I never did stop to get a really good look, but if I'm not mistaken, that's a Chevy Biscayne. Biscayne? Maybe a Biscayne. Maybe not. 4-door. This has been here a long, long time. But yeah, shows you the hazards. If something like that comes off of the logging truck, ta-da. I'm so glad I found this thing. I looked for it last time I was up here and I couldn't spot it. I think it's just because I drove past it without realizing that I just drove past it. So yeah, look at all the stickers here. Yeah, across, it's in. Yeah. PPCLI. That cool or what? Yeah. And it's the recycle program in there, I guess. Anyway. It's still there. Man, how long ago would that have been put? I'll have to do some searching. See if I can find someone who knows about this stuff. Because it is pretty cool. Ridge Tower. Look at all these stickers. All cord AC. Yep. Man, oh man. You wouldn't survive that one, that's for sure. But yeah, hey, there you go. I was driving, trying to watch out for this thing and the potholes at the same time. So, but here's some instruction for you. Drive with caution. Expect heavy traffic at all times. Yield to heavy equipment. Can you imagine being on a narrow part of that road? I saw one this morning too. It wasn't a Pacific. I don't remember what it was, but it was that kind of truck. And not quite loaded that high. But yeah, if you're on a skinny road and you see this coming down the hill, you hit reverse and you gas pedal as hard as you fucking can. Because that son of a bitch is going to make you dead if you can't get out of the way in time. That's a warning to all. To y'all. To y'all. Jeez. Alright. Oh, look who's in there. Let's see if I can open this door with the camera in my hand. Yes. Hi, Harley. What's going on? Hey? What you? Oh, you're licking your lips. Are you hungry by any chance? You got food. Oh, well. Oh no. Wait until you see this.
Trail starts.
Yeah, and sometimes this happens. Hopefully the driver's okay. Every once in a while, right? Something on his truck broke as he was coming around the corner. And he says to me, by the time he looked in the mirror, the logs were already headed for the ground, and so was the trailer. And split second later, ka-thunk, over he went. Yeah, this is hey, some of the hazards of working logging, right? So it's a shame. It's a waste of a nice truck. It's a Western style. Yep. So weekend. Woo.
10 minutes.
Take care, man. All right. We're through. All right. So, long story short, I get up to Winter Harbor. I shut the van off, and I went for a walk, and I came back, and I went to start it, and the starter went clunk. So I crawled underneath the van. I smacked it with a fucking hammer, and when I got back into the van and turned the key, it started, and I thought, chances are that was the last one. So came back to Port Hardy. The place there had nothing. Take 5 days delivery. So I went to Campbell River, crappy tire, Canadian Tire for those that are not Canadians, and got another starter, so-called professional. Anyway, it's in there now. It's working. I got kicked off of Quadra Island, and I also decided to leave Vancouver Island because I figure they see Alberta plates in BC and they get pissy with us to begin with, right? Don't blame them. So, but yeah, that's it. So, next adventure, I'm not sure. I'll let you know in a video update. How's that? So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. If you like the show, mash the like button, and please do subscribe.